Okay, our scans column shows raw scans. Earlier today I made 2 scans on a terminal for Roger Dean within a few seconds of each other, so we don't see much here, but we can see that if we sort this on time, we can see that Roger clocked in at 11:23 and out at just 9 seconds later, and didn't record any jobs or informations and things. If this particular employee had clocked in and out using a mobile phone instead of a terminal, there would also be a GPS icon here, and we could click on that to show the location that the employee was in when they clocked in or out. If we look at the scans for today, we can see that there aren't any. And if I go to my mobile phone and I clock out, and then I come back to the scans screen and I do a refresh, we'll see that I have clocked out, and I've got a GPS icon on the screen. If I click on the GPS icon, we can see that according to the phone, it's accurate to within just a bit under 3 meters, and that the last time the phone got a GPS lock with the satellites was virtually immediately. It's showing us our location here in the front room at ASP, and if I zoom in, if I go in the right direction, we can see that I'm approximately out in the car park. That's a couple of meters off from where I am, but that's why it's showing the accuracy.